Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pooja. In today's video, I'm going to bring you this fun peacock inspired pastel eye look. If you guys have been following my latest videos, then you would have noticed just how obsessed I am with the matte eye looks. I have been mixing and matching different colors and this one has really stood out. To all the lovely people who have subscribed to my channel, I'm so thankful for the love and support you have shown me. If you're new here and like this video, then please like and subscribe to my channel. That would motivate me even more to bring out new content. I have created some Indian traditional looks, creative looks and some easy wearable looks for you guys to recreate. You can check them out on my channel. I have a lot of other things planned for you guys and I can't wait to share them with you. So make sure you click the bell icon when you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any new videos of mine. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. To start off, I'm using L'Oreal Base Magique to prime my face. I always do the primer before the eye makeup so that the primer gets some time to sit on my face. I'm gonna prime my eyes with a concealer using a flat concealer brush. Also, I'm gonna blend it with a blender to avoid creasing and blotchiness. For doing this eye makeup, I'm using NYX Ultimate Brights palette today. For this eye makeup, I have segmented my lid into 3 parts: inner side, middle side and outer corners. I'm gonna start off with this pastel green shade and apply it on the inner side. I'm patting the color with the flat brush in order to get the maximum pigmentation. Next, I'm taking this beautiful blue and packing it on the center of my lids. Also, I'm blending it with the pastel green shade so that it looks like a nice beautiful gradient. Then taking this lavender color, I'm packing it at the outer corners. To intensify the color more, I'm using this purple shade and applying it at the outer corners over the lavender. This is gonna add more depth to the eye look. To summarize everything, I'm using green at the inner side, blue in the middle and purple on the outer corners. Moving to the face, I have already primed my face, but I'm gonna use a facial oil to add some glow. For my base today, I'm using Huda Beauty 4 Filter Foundation. First, I'm striping it across my face and then blending it with the damp sponge. For concealing these dark circles, I'm using my favorite MAC Prolong Wear Concealer. I've spoken about this concealer in my videos a lot of times. I'm applying it under my eyes, over my nose and forehead. And to blend it, I'm using the same damp beauty blender. To set everything, I'm using MAC Studio Fix Compact. First, I'm setting my under eyes to avoid creasing. Then I'm gonna set the rest of my face with the same powder with the help of a powder brush. For doing my brows, I'm using Swiss Beauty Eyebrow Pencil and NYX Brow Mascara. Honestly, they're such a great duo to do the brows. I mapped the brows with the pencil and set them in place with the help of the mascara. For fuller lashes, I'm gonna coat my lashes with the black waterproof Carousel mascara from Maybelline. And I will do my bottom lashes once I'm done defining my lower lash line. For defining the lower lash line, I'm using the purple shade at the outer corners. Then applying the blue at the middle part. And pastel green towards the inner corners. Basically, we are following what we have done on the lid. For defining my inner corners, I have used a shimmery parrot green color. For my waterline, I have used a white eye pencil from Makeup Studio. I'm using the highlight and contour duo from Nika and taking that contour shade to bronze up my face. I'm also going to contour my nose with the same shade with a smaller brush. For some flush of color, I'm using MAC powder blush and applying it on my cheeks. Then I'm using a limited edition highlighter from MAC and applying it on my nose, cheekbones, cupid's bow, chin and brow bone. For my lipstick, I'm using Faces Ultime Pro lipstick. First, I'm lining my lips with the NYX lip liner and then filling them in with the lipstick. To lock everything, I'm spraying the PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer over my face and letting it air dry. So that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you liked it and learned something new from it. And if you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.